Hi guys! For today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Derma Pen from Derma Roller Philippines for the very first time. So, 4 months ago guys, nag-try ako nung Derma Roller from the same brand which is Derma Roller Philippines. And for 4 months, I've been consistently using it. And I can say na talagang nag-improve or merong naging mga pagbabago doon sa face ko. And I wanted to take it to the next level, kaya bumili na ako nitong Derma Pen. So, ito yung kasama niya guys na device. Ayan. So, ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung device bago natin siya gamitin. So, this is the device which should be plugged in. So, may kasama siya na connector na ganito. And then, ito yung kanyang on button. So, ilo-long press mo lang yan. And then, ayan, iilaw na siya ng color red. So, kung maririnig nyo, nagva-vibrate siya kasi nagmo-move yung pinaka-machine. And then, meron tong 5 modes, guys. So, red, ito yung pinaka-mataas na level. If you click it one more, magiging iba yung color niya. Ito yung 1 level lower. Yung pinaka-last na level na pinaka-mild is itong color green. So, meron siyang 5 modes. And then, to turn it off, ipipress mo lang and hold. So, kapag bumili tayo nung ganitong package ng Derma Pen, guys, meron na siyang kasama na ganito na needle cartridge. And then, meron din kasama na ganito, which is the sunscreen. Meron din kasamang soap, this one, intensive whitening soap. And then, may kasamang dalawang vitamin C serum, which is this one. And then, meron din siyang kasama na ganito, which is the Max Numb or the numbing cream. Okay, let's move on to the next stage, which is yung gagamitin na natin itong ating Derma Pen.